Alright, this is Tool Organization Services, and we just finished up a project here in Blackfoot, Idaho. Jenkins. It's a Chrysler and a Ford dealership, and we actually had 18 panels for Chrysler and 13 for Ford. We got Chrysler on this side, and then we had the 3 shelves here. We put all their fixtures and their kits. And I can show you a panel here. Yep, wall mount back there. We put some of the bigger fixtures on. I'll show you some panels here. The tools on them. It's a nice full panel there, and then we put there we go, a label on each one for them. Okay, and then over here on the right we have the Ford, and then we have their shelves over here. We have all their kits in organized by years. There's some of their desirable tools that we separated for them. And then they had quite a bit of doubles. And then also in here in the parts department they had double kits. We put all them, organized them for them real nice. And then these are their older, like from 1960 to 1990 kits that we saved for them. They're all inventoried and on their inventory. Alright, that's it. It's a big project, but they have an excellent tool room. And with that, we're going to shut her down and head down the road.